Welcome to Power of Voice, your English learning partner. This is episode 1 of Learn English Quickly with podcast. Simple daily English conversation for beginners. Blonde-haired man character 1, Alex, student. Woman character 2, Sarah, English coach. Get ready for real English conversations. Let's speak, listen, and learn together. Introduction. First English meeting. Alex. Hi, my name is Alex. I want to learn English. Can you help me? Sarah. Of course, Alex. I'm Sarah, your English coach. Let's start with some simple English. Alex. Great. I'm excited. Basic greetings practice ****. Sarah. Let's start. Say, hello, how are you? Alex. Hello, how are you? Sarah. Perfect. Now answer. I'm fine, thank you. Alex. I'm fine, thank you. Sarah. Good job. Now try this. What is your name? Alex. What is your name? Sarah. Excellent. Let's keep going. Daily use sentences. Sarah. Here are 3 sentences you can use every day. 1. I want to learn English. 2. Please speak slowly. 3. Can you repeat that? Alex. These are useful. Let me try. I want to learn English. Please speak slowly. Can you repeat that? Sarah. Fantastic. Your pronunciation is improving. Small talk practice. Sarah. Let's have a short conversation. Sarah. Hello, Alex. How are you today? Alex. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Sarah. I'm good too. What did you eat for breakfast? Alex. I ate eggs and toast. Sarah. Yummy. That's great. You're doing well, Alex. This was episode 1 of Learn English Quickly with podcast ***. UVE learned greetings, daily phrases, and small talk. Now it's your turn. Repeat, practice, and speak with confidence. Studio Microphone, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Power of Voice. Because English learning is just a story away.